Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, Money Step. Today is Thursday, 2023, July 6. So we are going through the KLCI, US market and market stocks today. So we go through the disclaimer first. This video is for the educational purposes. It's not a buying or selling call for the viewer or investors. Let's go ahead for the KLCI charting first. So overnight market is dropping 2 to 3 points level, so KLCI still remain at downtrend, so we may still need to be wait for the breakout, so we can draw a downtrend line here, see whether there's any potential to break out right over here. Okay, so the next one we may go for the okay, overnight pre-closing market. I did share some stocks in the Telegram channels box. If you are interested to join in for the Telegram channel robots, you can feel free to join in. There's no charges at all, and you can go for the Telegram channels, look for the Elias Money Step John's bot, Money Step John's bot. Okay, the step there's no S right over here. Okay, so we go back here. Overnight free closing for something, 441. I did pick up some stock, two stocks, which is SciPark and another E-frame. SciPark is in a healthy chart formation with a volume improving, with a stop loss 7.2 and the target is 90 cents. 7.2 is more or less about 9 to 10%. So target is the resistance 90 cents followed by 1 ringgit level. So the volume is coming up. The curve is quite healthy, I would say. So the next stocks we are looking at Econ frame. So we can see the drying up volume for the past few months, and then suggested entry to below. This one need to wait for the retracement below 90 cents and a stop loss 85 followed by the target of 105. Okay, 105 is around the resistance right here. So as I said, we need to wait for the retracement and below 90 cents. So maybe you can queue for 9.5 with a stop loss level around 85 cents. Okay, so feel free to join the Money Step John's robot over there. So from time to time you can check. I did posted some of the broadcast news right over there and the stock picks. So by using this robot, you can download the Excel for your share portfolio purposes. You can try to tracking your portfolio manually using the Excel to tracking. Because of course this one you need to manually key in everything stuff, but just a suggestions for you to tracking your portfolio manually, and it also providing some informations before you can do the tracking. You need to understand some T2 settlements, contra settlement, all those things. If you are interested to open an account, you can click the link over here. So it will bring you to a link. You can click it. It will bring you to the WhatsApp. You can reach to me right over there. So there are a lot of info right over there, how to apply IPO, all those things, how to place order, GTD orders. So it's free, yeah? You can access it through the Telegram robot over there. So I go back to my channels. Let's go back for the KLCIs by the Maybank Investment Bank. So market remain choppy in the near term, estimate investor taking more defensive approach for the MPC meeting, which is locals. Maybank is expecting for 35 basis point hike by the bank regular this week, and also the market is also expecting for the Federal Reserve hiking 25 basis point as well. So we see how it goes. And okay, so technically they are expecting for the KLCI trading range would be 1380 and 1410. So and the support level is 1370 followed by 1350. Okay. Next would be we need to go through one by one for the stock pick by the various of the research house. First would be the M+. Let's have a look, or MHB. Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering. So I already draw the lines. The blue line is the resistance level, target level given by the research house. Purple is the breakout level given by the research house as well, and the stop loss is red color. So MHB, so we zoom in a little bit because the so we can see that this one is considered a nice pick. I would say by looking purely based on the sideways consolidations, it's been nearly how many months? 1 month. So 1 month plus 1.5 months, and followed by the volume. So we can see the volume is coming in. So this one definitely a short-term trade. Yeah, it's only encouraged for the short-term trade. So by looking at it, I already know it's for trading purposes only. So if you are interested to it, you can look for this one. It is quite a nice pick. So the target level is 5.7 followed by 5.9. So how many cents? So they mentioned buying both 5.3. So the purple color break up. So you can, if you can buying at 5.4 is also alright, because it mentioned buying both 5.3. So 5.4, let's say 5.4, you are going for the resistance would be around 3.5 versus for the cut loss level is 3 cents. 1 to 1 is considered quite okay, and or you can wait for the target of 5.59 cents. So depends on the flow of the volume as well. So I would say nice pick. So we can draw some additional lines right here. So downtrend line is here. See whether can it breaks. Potentially it will come here to test this resistance level. So okay, short-term trade with a volume, quite nice. So next one will be Ecovo. Okay, Ecovo, they are buying above the 84 cents, which is the purple color. Purple color means buying breakout, so you can use the buy stop limit order through the Maybank trade platforms. And stop loss level is 79 cents, which is equivalent to 5 cents. Okay, acceptable. So we zoom out a little bit. So with a target of 90 cents, and next target will be 1 ringgit. So okay, this one is considered healthy uptrend right now, and healthy consolidation right here. So right here is healthy consolidation, bang for the breakout. So you can use buy stop limits order in the Maybank platform. There's no charges, of course. Until your order got matched, there will be charges for the trading cost. So if you don't know how to use it, you can go to my robot to check for the videos to guide you through. So this one, nice pick as well, I would say. So the next research house will be by the RHB Mestron. So Mestron, okay, this one when I look at it, it seems a bit of weird. Okay, the outlook breakout above 4.2. We zoom in a little bit. 4.2 is already broken for 1 to 2 weeks. It's already broken for 1 to 2 weeks, but they are calling for buy at this moment. I'm not sure why. Maybe because of the volume, but the volume is not coming in yesterday. Anyhow, the target stop loss level is 4.05. 4.05 is, which is equivalent to, comparing to previous closing, with about 10%, 9 to 10%, versus the target is 4.6 and 4.8 half. 4/6 and 4/8. So the time frame given is 2 weeks to 1 month. So we zoom out a little bit. So whether you like it or not, I'm not sure. Not my favorite, I would say. So Upstart, the next one. So newly listing counters. Okay, newly listing counters, they are pending breakout for 2 ringgit level. So meaning that this one purple color is breakout. So again, you can use the buy stop limit order if you are interested to trade Upstart. Okay, now it's 190. Overnight is closing 190. So you need to place a buy stop limit order with a stop price of 2 ringgit or 201. So buy above, right? And with a target stop loss level is 180, which is around 10%, and the target is 225, 240, more than 10%. So risk reward is alright, quite healthy. IPO I don't like, sorry. I don't like IPO. So next one would be the UOB, Lê Hồng. Okay, Lê Hồng is also a buy breakout call as well, 305. Now when it is closing 30 cents, and the stop loss level is 2.6 2.6 is more than 10% for this one, for the risk, and the reward is around how many, 3.8 and 41. So I'm not sure you like it or not, but I don't like it for this one because the risk is too high by comparing the stop loss level and the entry level. So the next one will be the Anju. Anju, let's zoom in a little bit. So I think the info sending here is a bit, there's some mistake info right here. I'm not sure why. Last closing is 107, but the technical buy breakout is 132. Maybe what they mean is 112. I'm not so sure. 132 is their target is 131 and 139. So the breakout is 132, meaning that it's impossible for this trade. Stop loss level is 99 cents. Maybe what they means is 112, maybe the breakout. Maybe okay. I don't know how their minds work. I just guessing. Okay. So next one will be the E-frame. E-frame, which is one of my picks. So one of my picks is also E-frame. So this one is the what I drawing right here is the stop loss level. Overnight entry closing is 905, 93. Sorry, 93. So potential with a stop loss level 805 level. The gap is too big. The gap is too big. The gap is too big. I repeat 3 times. And the target price is 106 and 109, 106 and 109. So I would suggest you follow, if you are interested to E-frame, I would suggest Econ frame. I would suggesting you follow my trading plans as early on. At the startings, you rewind back on the starting stage. I mentioned the target price, stop loss level, and the entry. So it will provide you a better trading plan comparing to this one, ISP one. Sorry. So by the Maybank Research, okay, SMRT. Okay, Maybank Research SMRT. This one is very healthy uptrending stock. Yep, very healthy. Very healthy uptrending stock. Yep. So let's zoom in. So this one is the swing lah. They are, I believe they are pick up this SMRT because of the swing. Volume is coming in. So overnight closing is 77 cents with stop loss level 7.5, consider acceptable stop loss level, and the target is 85 and 91. Quite a nice pick if you prefer to pick uptrend stock. This one is the pick. Yep. So the next one is Wellness stock. Okay, Wellness stock. we zoom out a little bit. Really store. Okay, the overnight closing is 2-3 half. Stop loss level is 2-1, target is 255, 2-8 half. We zoom out a little bit. I believe this call is purely buying at support level. It's purely buying at support level. It's not my favorite because the volume is not encourageable, but your choice. Okay, again, last one, Yuli. I believe this is the last one. Yuli by the Maybank picking. Overnight closing is 35 cents. Stop loss level is 33 cents. Okay, with a target 37 half and 40 half. So we zoom out a little bit, see how is the trending for these stocks. And not my favorite. Not my favorite. Yep. So I believe there's quite pretty much cover for today. So if you like this type of sessions, please do share to your friends if you're maybe they're interested to investing into the markets. In Malaysia markets, it's quite silent at this moment. I would say it's potential investing moment when the market is very silent. Okay, it's a very attractive moment for the investor to come in for investing long term. Okay, during the moment market is very silent. Okay, you are not going to joining in when the top growth counter Harta Lega is sky high, everyone is trading it, so definitely you will be trapped inside. Okay, so I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.